Engine oil factories and lubricant factories, look here. T122 high base number sulfurized calcium alkyl phenol and T123 super overbased sulfurized calcium alkyl phenol. The base numbers of these two products are different. T122 TBN equals 250, T123 TBN equals 300. T122 and T123 are widely used and comprehensive lubricant additives with excellent acid neutralization ability and high temperature detergency, excellent antioxidant and corrosion inhibition properties, good anti-emulsification and oil solubility, good compatibility with additives such as sulfonates, alkenyl succinimide, ZDDP, etc., and have a significant effect on reducing carbon deposits on the upper part of the piston ring. They are widely used in the preparation of medium and high-end internal combustion engine oils